grip of winter's cool neath the vast Australian skies. Quarry Beach reveals its charm as the chilly season flies. But Betka's waters, stained with rain, meet the ocean's tide, while the waves churn up the sand, leaving rock formations wide. Oh, sing for the rugged coastal scrub and the boundless, restless sea, where the southern winds carve paths of foam, wild, fierce, and free. Along the shores where the Goshawks soar and the sea eagles cry, there's a tale woven by the waves of Quarry Beach. As midday warms the air above, the sea's embrace turns mild. Cormorants dive for hidden feasts, nature's riches undefiled. Rocks laid bare by recent storms stand against the swell, guardians of the shoreline, in their silence stories tell. Oh, sing for the rugged coastal scrub and the boundless, restless sea, where the southern winds carve paths of foam, wild, fierce, and free. Along the shores where the Goshawks soar and the sea eagles cry, there's a tale woven by the waves of Quarry Beach. High above, the water's reach, brown Goshawks glide in pairs, sweeping through the salty breeze aloft without cares. The ocean's heart beats steady here beneath the azure spread, a dance of life and energy where earth and water wed. Hear the essence of the coast in every rock and wave, speaks of ancient timeless dance, the sea's relentless crave. Each crest that breaks, each stone it shakes beneath the midday sun, tells of the raw, untamed force where earth and ocean run. Oh, sing for the rugged coastal scrub and the boundless, restless sea, where the southern winds carve paths of foam, wild, fierce, and free. Along the shores where the Goshawks soar and the sea eagles cry, there's a tale woven by the waves of Quarry Beach. So let the song of Quarry Beach rise over scrub and stone, a ballad of the wild and free, where the ocean's might is shown. So let the song of Quarry Beach rise over scrub and stone, a ballad of the wild and free, where the ocean's might is shown.